Straumann SIRIOS Portfolio Crown and Bridge Workflow. Select Crown and Bridge to create a new crown case. Add the patient information. If the patient already exists, simply type his or her name in the search box. Then, select the desired patient. If it's a new patient, click Add Patient to create a new patient. Complete all fields and click Save. Add the restoration to the dental chart. Select the type of restoration, the material, the shade, as well as the implant kit if it's an implant case. For bridge creation, select the two tooth numbers in the circle and add the restoration, for example, a crown. Then, unselect these and select the middle one to add a bridge as a restoration. Once all restorations are selected, click the three tooth numbers and add the material and shade. Then, click Create a Bridge to splint these together. Add an additional pre-op scan if needed. This will add one scan to your scan sequences, allowing you to scan the tooth prior to the prep. Once completed, select Save and close to save the patient information for a later appointment or next if you are ready to scan. Follow the scan sequence displayed on the left hand. To learn more about each tool available on each screen, refer to the Straumann SIRIOS Portfolio Tools and Functionalities video available on YouTube. Make sure to properly scan every area needed on your preparation, such as the margin line, as well as contact points. When the scan is complete, the software automatically detects and highlights the preparation area for HD rendering. The highlighted area is then rendered in high resolution during post-processing to enhance the scan quality. Confirm the cylinder is well positioned. You can add or remove the HD area if needed. Use the handle to increase or decrease the cylinder size. Once finished, use either the Next button in the software or the Mode button on the SIRIOS handpiece to continue scanning the opposing arch. Opposing arch scan. Within the bite screen, scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides for a full arch scan. The scanner will stop to confirm the bite key has been acquired. Then, select Review on the lower right side to move to the review screen. In the review screen, use the display option to show or hide the different arches. You can turn off the closed toggle to open the arches. Tag the crown area using the tooth tagging tool. Place your file in the axis of insertion to confirm if there's an undercut on the preparation site. Use the Validate Occlusal Distance tool to confirm the clearance available on your preparation. Simply click on the preparation and move around to display the amount in millimeters. Once finished, click Next. In the export screen, multiple export options are available. You can export your scan to your favorite laboratory by using the Straumann Access Export. For Chairside Smart Design, select the option and click Send. Straumann Access will launch for you to log in to your account. Your patient case will automatically open. Make sure the correct scans are selected in this view. Then, click Proceed. Confirm the material and the shade. The Smart Design tool will create a design based on trained AI models. You can use the different tools available to modify the restoration. For a full tutorial, refer to the Straumann Signature Midas playlist available on YouTube. Once finished, click Validate Edits. Finally, validate and print with your Straumann Signature Midas. Reminder, for the HD area, the highlighted area is rendered in high resolution during post-processing to enhance the scan quality. Make sure you use this tool for crown, bridge, and implant cases. Shine control can be useful when scanning high reflective surfaces, such as shiny metal, blood, or saliva. Turn it on to improve capture in these areas. To create a bridge, select all the tooth numbers after assigning the crowns and bridge restoration, and use the Create a Bridge button on the lower left side of the dental chart. For more information, refer to the IFU